Good morning, class 2 children. Today also we will continue with lesson number 2. Okay, and in the previous period we have discussed how computers are useful at home and what all we can do there. Okay, today we will see how they are useful at shops and hotels. Okay, so let's start. Computers are used in shops to make bills, maintain records of stocks, and description of sales of various items. So here you can see that computer is being used in both small and big shops. Why they are being used? To make bills, to generate bills, maintain records of the stock, that whatever that is present in the shop, what is required, what is in excess, what they have bought, what is being sold. So it is used for maintaining the records of that. And also description of sales of various items means what all has been sold and various details related to it. Okay, so it is used in big shops, small shops, and even in the malls. Okay, where there are many floors of a single store. Okay, so they usually have a centralized billing system, means whether you go to second floor or first floor or third floor, you pay the bill at one place, or maybe you pay in different place, but while leaving the store you need to show it to the person concerned. Okay, so this way computers are being used in shops and now and hotels also. In hotels also it is being used for making bills and maintaining different types of records and even the customer records there. Okay, now offices, the computer assists in typing and printing documents, so we can type and also we can take the printouts of the various documents. The computer assists in sending and receiving messages, means it is used for sending messages and receiving messages among the people in the same office, or maybe the different offices in different parts of the country or the world. Okay, so it is very useful in offices as well. Do you know messages sent and received through computers are popularly known as emails? So when we the messages that we send or receive through computers, they are usually known as emails, means electronic mails. They can reach any part of the world in seconds, which saves time and money. And these emails, children, can reach to any part of the world. Just we just need to know the address of the other person whom we want to send, and it saves lot of money and also time. Okay, we can very quickly send the same mail to many people in various parts of the world, and we don't have to spend lot of money in that. Okay children, so it is a very useful application of computer. Now turn to page number 16. Here, banks. Computers are used in maintaining the particulars and accounts of the customers. Means particulars means the details of the customers. Okay, his address and name, date of birth, and many other details, and even the accounts of the customers. That how much money is there, what is being taken out, what is being what to say give added in that. So it is used for maintaining all those details. We take the assistance of computer in withdrawing money from ATM, that is automated teller machine. Okay, so whether we are doing the deposit, whether we are depositing or we are withdrawing, we can use the ATM teller machine, automated teller machine. Okay, updating all the accounts transaction means we can update the accounts transactions, means how much money was withdrawn, how much money was deposited, what all changes were done. Okay, so it will be used for, it can be used for that also, and it is being used for that also. Paying and receiving cash and checks, so both for paying other people or for some other bills, and even for receiving cash and checks, we use computer very frequently. Okay, in fact, these days nothing can be done without the help of the computer. Now, hospitals. In hospitals, computers are used by doctors in surgery. So, in hospitals, if there is any confusion or they want to consult anything, doctors can use computers for surgery or for other operations as well. Computers are very useful in diagnosing many diseases. Like today, during this pandemic time, we have seen that how the information is being exchanged between the different doctors, and how we can consult the doctors using computer. We can get the help from them. So it is very useful in diagnosing many diseases. Now, medical reports are prepared with the help of the computers. So, medical reports are also prepared using the computers, and even hospitals maintain almost even minutest detail of the patients there, because it helps in retaining that information for the long time. Okay, and for finding out how many people are suffering from which problem and like that. Okay, so we have seen that how computers are impacting our day-to-day lives in such a big way. In like everywhere we can see the use of the computer. So just read this chapter till here, children. Just revise it, and now we will meet in the next period. Bye bye.